My name's Bianca, I'm the project coordinator. The activity that's taking place on site at the moment is facade installation. The main stages for prepping the site for the facade installation is ensuring that you've got a full set of IFC documentation that's been approved and reviewed, and that everyone is on the same page moving forward with the install, ensuring that the site access is clear, that your set out is true and correct, and then the boys can start rolling in with installing their deflection heads to then follow through with their blue frame in prep for all of the cladding system. The uniqueness of this facade is the fact that we've got a rain screen type cladding, so the only thing that's keeping the building watertight in the cladding component of it would be the sarking. The equitone material is classified as a breathable facade, so water can get through behind it and evaporate from behind the rain screen. The second portion to the facade, other than the glazing, would be the facade screen, which wraps around 2 elevations of the building. That clads pretty much the whole building. There are 2 different colours, and there is a design portion to the equitone where there's a pattern routed out to it, which creates a herringbone pattern around the building. The screens are out of aluminium slats, which are also powder coated in a colour quite similar to one of the equitone colours. And then the glazing is clear glazing as well as bronze glazing. Some of the lessons learned so far is that attention to detail is key for a facade, because there is other elements to it and quite a significant amount of coordination between the blue frame and the steel outriggers that support the screen and the prefabbed equitone and the pattern, making sure that that lines up. And all of that comes into play through the design process, as well as ensuring that the guys on site are aware of all of these, what they would see as little details, but in hindsight are quite a big detail when the building is fully clad. And other lessons learned would be that the set out for the cladding, as well as the set out for the subseals and subheads for the glazing frames, that both subcontractors are on the same page when setting out their wall framing or subseals and subheads, because the glazing suites and cladding needs to read as one.